Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing a video on Hudson's birds. Say hi, Hudson.
Hi.
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 So these are Hudson's birds. You can't see them. There. Do I put what one's yours, Hudson?
This one.
That one?
The stripy one. That one's mine.
So the one that's got the strap on his head, guys, that's Hudson's. That's
Hold on here. I'll just move this.
What's his name?
Hold on.
What's his name, Hudson?
My bird's name is called Gizmo.
So and this
the
is
stripes one's Gizmo, and this one, the light one, the blue one, the light blue. His name is Rainbow.
And that's his brother's Balin's bird. Okay. Now keepers get Gizmo out, Hudson.
Okay.
So why he's doing that? He got these budgies for Christmas.
Which wasn't long.
Which wasn't long ago. Because today's like, what's the date today? Anyone know? No. What's the date?
I need help getting out my birds. They're gonna bite me.
Alright. No, I'll get him out. Hold the camera. Hold the camera. No talk. Stop, Alicia!
You know, people can see this right now.
Yeah, because there, guys, that's my annoying sister, Alicia. She's really annoying.
Okay, now give me my bird.
Yeah, that's Alicia. No, we don't want the other one out.
Oi.
That's Alicia. She's really annoying.
See that? His video and he's going to post it on YouTube.
And what? I'm video. Sorry.
Dad, can you tell him not to like
And
talk about me? I don't want. And don't, I'm subscribed to you, so if you do, I can see everything you post.
and but you don't know notifications on her. It's like
I do.
And that's Hudson's bird there. That's Hudson's bird.
I've had a bird before.
Yeah, he had a bird. What was his name? Stripes. This is. I'll hold this one for you.
Holy moly.
Hudson, can I hold this one?
Yeah.
Oh, you can't please hold it. Oh, you can't please hold that one.
It's my bird, Alicia.
It's kind of my finger.
Oh, should I
Just give it to him. It's my bird.
And
You're going to have the worst YouTube videos ever.
And-
You don't keep the camera straight.
Got
it.
Yeah, and
This one really likes to fly. Hey.
Hudson's one is very calm.
As for this one is
That one's younger.
Don't talk my YouTube videos, Alicia.
The one that Alicia's holding.
Yeah,
that one's younger.
That one is younger.
And this one, the one that I'm holding. This one here. This one's
Older.
older.
And that's Gizmo really close up.
Yeah.
And I've got a bird over there, which you guys already seen that video. And then this. Okay.
Let me hold him.
And now we're gonna do.
They're used to doing this.
Come on.
Lucky, they're just sitting together. They're just sitting together, Lucky. Leave them, Lucky. They're just sitting together. Leave them.
Okay. So I've got this one here is Hudson's bird as well. Well, it's Balin's, but it's probably going to be Hudson's because Balin won't look after it enough.
He's already done that before.
And
Hudson.
yeah.
Wait.
Yeah. Say bye.
Buckland's you to
Bye.
me.
Bye.
No, the budgies.
Bye. Alicia! Stop being annoying. I'll film you. And yeah, so that's the budgies. Can I hold Gizmo? This is Gizmo. Gizmo's the best.
Wait,
That's
stop. Rainbow.
That's Gizmo. And yeah, that's Gizmo. Okay, see you guys. Bye.